Accounting, guided by M. Harprasad, HOD of Commerce Department. Please introduce yourself.
I am Roslyn from BCom CA second year. I am K. Pooja from BCom CA second year.
I am Anjali from BCom CA first year.
I am Aradhana from BCom CA first year.
Introduction. Traditional accounting measures the wealth of companies, but green accounting measures the health of planet also. Our financial system are ignored by environmental costs, treating nature as free resources. Green accounting bridges the gap by calculating true cost of production and resources depletion. Look at here, this is chart. Traditional accounting look gloomy, crazy and bags of money. Then what this thing here means the health of our environmental, because it only focus on profit output, right? When it comes to this question mark, it will see the impact on sustainable development. Green accounting, it look cleanly, greenly and neatly because it taking the help of sustainable development like wind energy, solar energy. Meaning of traditional accounting regards only financial transaction, focus on profit and loss, and also ignore environmental and social costs and short-term financial performance.
The meaning of the green accounting, it also known as environmental accounting. It includes environmental cost and benefits. It measures impact of business on environment. It promotes sustainable development. Next, statement of the problem. The traditional accounting ignores environmental damage such as pollution, resource depletion and ecological damage. Environmental costs are not included in financial reports. Objectives of the study: to understand green and traditional accounting, to compare both systems.
Research methodology, type of study, descriptive and comparative. Data collection, primary data, interviews, secondary data, books, journals and websites. Sample size 50 respondents, sampling method, converting sampling. 80% believe environmental protection is important, 70% aware of green accounting, 65% agree it supports sustainability, majority support implementation. Green accounting improves corporate image. Most respondents believe environmental protection is essential of long-term development. A large percentage of respondents are aware of green accounting. Many respondents feel green accounting make organization more responsible. Transaction accounting, traditional accounting mainly focus on short-term profit measurement. And it promotes efficient use of natural resources, encourages pollution control and eco-friendly practices, supports cooperative social responsibility, contributes to sustainable development and long-term growth. Comparison: green versus traditional accounting. Focus: traditional accounting focus on profit only, whereas green accounting focus on profit plus environment. Cost: traditional accounting focus on financial cost, green accounting focus on financial plus environmental cost. Traditional accounting objects on short-term growth, whereas green accounting objects on long-term sustainability. Reportings: green accounting gives financial statements, whereas green accounting environmental reportings. Findings: majority aware of environmental issues. Green accounting supports the sustainable development. Traditional accounting ignores the environmental cost. Strong support for implementing the green accounting.
Suggestion: government should introduce policy to encourage green accounting policies. Environment reporting should be made compulsory for industries. Awareness programs should be conducted in colleges and organizations. Training should be provided. Business should adopt eco-friendly production technique. Organizations should allocate funds from pollution to control activity. Education institutions should include green accounting. Companies should regularly monitor and report the environmental impact.
Conclusion: profit is temporary but environment is permanent, right? So when we move from traditional to green accounting means we automatically stop our environmental damages as soon as possible. So sustainable development is no longer a choice, it's our responsibility that starts with how we count our health. In final words, we are just not accountants, we are also the guardians of future planet. So heartfully thanking for 2026 Jignasa coordinators from Government Degree College for Women Siddipet. Once again heartfully thank you so much.